What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best backup camera in 2023. Through the comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for the best backup camera for your car, and you'll know exactly the best backup camera for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Foxpark Solar 3 Backup Wireless Camera Systems, designed to bring ease and peace of mind to your journeys. Stick around to learn why this solar wireless backup camera is a must-have for your car. Starting off with a bang, the Foxpark Solar 3 boasts a stunning HD 1080p 5-inch monitor that ensures crystal-clear images day and night. No more struggling to see in low-light conditions or during those dark evenings. Say goodbye to color discrepancies and hello to a vivid, true-to-life display that makes reversing a breeze. Now here's the kicker. This wireless backup camera is equipped with a solar panel that charges your device while you drive. Whether you're on a sunny road trip or just cruising around town, your camera will stay fully charged. And for those cloudy days, you can also recharge it via USB. It's a brilliant combination of eco-friendliness and practicality. Let's talk installation. The best part: say goodbye to complicated wiring and drilling. With the Foxpark Solar 3, all you need is a trusty screwdriver. In just 3 minutes, you can securely attach the camera to your license plate. It's a true DIY experience that saves you time and hassle. Worried about rainy days or car washes? Fear not, the Foxpark Solar 3 is designed to withstand it all. Its IP69 waterproof rating, PCB coating, and sealing adhesive ensure that your camera stays dry even in the harshest conditions. No more foggy lenses or blurry views. Last but not least, the dual-channel feature of this camera lets you monitor multiple blind spots. Whether you're keeping an eye on your little one in the back seat or need an extra set of eyes while towing, this camera has you covered. It's perfect for small RVs and anyone looking to enhance their awareness on the road. And there you have it, folks. The Foxpark Solar 3 Backup Camera Systems Wireless. From its HD clarity and solar-powered magic to its easy installation and versatile usage, this camera is a game-changer. If you're ready to revolutionize your driving experience, don't miss out on this incredible device. Number 4. The WOLFBOX 4K Backup Camera. If you're looking for a reliable way to enhance your driving experience and ensure safety on the road, this might just be the product for you. Stick around as we dive into its features, benefits, and why it's worth considering. Let's kick things off with a major upgrade that caught our attention. The WOLFBOX front camera now boasts an impressive 4K resolution, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. That's a big leap from the previous 1296p. Plus, the rear camera records in 1080p, providing clear images of what's happening behind you. Moving on, the 12-inch larger screen is a game-changer. With a 170 degrees front lens and 140 degrees rear lens, your field of vision is significantly widened, reducing blind spots. The Smart Screen Split function lets you see both camera views simultaneously, adding an extra layer of safety. The 2.5D curved screen not only looks sleek but also fits seamlessly into your car's design. Let's talk about image quality. The mirror camera's built-in high-quality chip ensures crisp 4K and 1080p videos. Say goodbye to glare during the day, thanks to the upgraded low-reflectivity LCD. WDR and HDR technology balances lighting, while the Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens ensure better night vision. Whether it's dusk or dawn, you'll have a clearer view. Stay on track with the built-in GPS antenna. Get real-time GPS info on display while driving. And here's the cool part: play back your videos on the GPS player, where you can see both camera angles and track all the GPS metrics. It's like having a personal navigation assistant built right into your mirror. Security doesn't stop when you park. The WOLFBOX has a 24-hour precise parking monitor. Activate the time-lapse mode to monitor your parked car, conserving power while capturing everything that happens around. Peace of mind even when you're not behind the wheel. So there you have it, folks. The WOLFBOX 4K Backup Camera. With its stunning 4K resolution, wider screen, enhanced night vision, and smart features like GPS tracking and parking monitoring, it's a comprehensive solution for safer driving. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, this might just be the gadget you've been waiting for. Number 3. The Garmin BC30 Wireless Backup Camera. If you're like me and always looking for ways to make your time on the road safer and more convenient, this might just be the gadget for you. Now, I haven't used this product before, but I've done my research and I'm excited to share what I've found. Let's start by talking about compatibility. The Garmin BC30 works seamlessly with most Garmin Drive, Nuvi, and diesel GPS navigators. This camera takes the guesswork out of reversing by showing you exactly what's behind your vehicle on your navigator's display. No more straining your neck to see what's going on behind you. Now, what sets the Garmin apart is its effortless toggling between camera and navigation modes. You can wire it to constant power, which gives you the flexibility to quickly switch between modes. This is particularly handy when you're in tight spots and need to get that perfect parking angle. Let's talk resolution. The camera provides a clear view with its 240p resolution when used with a compatible Garmin navigator. Trust me, you'll be impressed by how much detail you can see even in low-light situations. Wireless transmission is a game-changer here. The Garmin BC30 wirelessly transmits video up to 45 feet using the 2.4 GHz ISM radio band. This means you can get a clear view of what's happening behind you, whether you're maneuvering in a crowded parking lot or backing up in your driveway. Durability matters, especially when dealing with outdoor conditions. The Garmin BC30 is rugged enough to withstand harsh weather, ensuring that it'll be by your side rain or shine. You can count on it to deliver reliable performance no matter the elements. And there you have it, folks, the Garmin BC30 wireless backup camera. With its compatibility, seamless toggling, impressive resolution, wireless transmission, and rugged design, it's truly a game-changer for safer and more confident parking. If you're ready to take the stress out of reversing, this is the accessory you've been waiting for. Number 2. The DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera RV Trailer, a feature-packed solution for all your rearview needs. Now, I haven't personally used this product before, so I'm coming in with fresh eyes to give you all the details you need. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about the standout features of the DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera. First up, the upgraded dual antennas and unique digital technology provide a stable and clear signal. With an impressive transmission range of up to 825 feet in open areas and 320 feet on vehicles, you're covered no matter where you're driving. Installing the DoHonest is a breeze thanks to the bracket adapter and pigtail wire plug. Designed to be compatible with Korean pre-wired RVs, you can get this system up and running in under 10 minutes. Foolproof setup indeed. Safety is paramount, and the DoHonest takes it seriously. Acting like a DVR dash monitor, it provides a rear view that doubles as a preventive measure, recording surroundings, and those 9 infrared night vision lights on each camera, they ensure HD 1080p clarity even when the sun goes down. The 7-inch capacitive touchkey sensor display not only ensures durability, but also gives you control at your fingertips. You can place it on the windshield or dashboard, and DIY guidelines aid in safer parking and driving. But wait, there's more. You can expand your view with up to 4 towing trailer cameras, enjoying seamless front, rear, and side coverage. Plus, the IP69 waterproof rating guarantees no lens fog or water issues. The DoHonest suits a range of vehicles, from Voyager RVs to trucks, hitch trailers, and even boats. DoHonest stands by their product with lifetime technical support and a 3-year replacement warranty. Wrapping it up, the DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera RV Trailer V23 seems like a top-notch addition to any vehicle. Its impressive features, easy installation, and commitment to safety make it a winner in my books. So, if you're looking to upgrade your rearview game, give this one a serious consideration. Number 1. The AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. If you've been struggling with parking or want to enhance your driving safety, you're in for a treat. Stick around to discover how this innovative device can make your life behind the wheel easier and more secure. Let's dive into the features that make the AUTO-VOX CS2 stand out. First off, the backup camera is equipped with the PC1058 sensor, ensuring you get clear and vibrant images without any distortion of colors. Say goodbye to oversaturated pinks and purples. When it comes to night vision, the AUTO-VOX doesn't disappoint. With its adjustable 6-glass lens and a remarkable 0.1 lumen rating, this camera is designed to provide superior night vision, ensuring you can see what's behind your car even in low light conditions. Safety is a top priority, right? Well, the AUTO-VOX is your trusty companion. With 110 golden angles, this camera offers an accurate view of the area behind your vehicle, making parking and trailer hitching a breeze. Plus, the adjustable parking lines ensure you can fit into even the tightest parking spots with ease. Now, let's talk about the real-time signal transmission. The AUTO-VOX employs 2.4G wireless technology to provide a stable image without any interference from Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or radio signals, and with a transmission range of up to 33 feet, it's perfect for vehicles like vans, SUVs, trucks, and trailers. Installation doesn't get any easier than this. The transmitter is built into the camera system, so there are no messy wires to deal with. Just 2 simple steps. Power the monitor using the included cigarette lighter or fuse box, and connect the rear camera to continuous power for monitoring or to the reverse lamp for backing up. In conclusion, if you're tired of struggling with parking, worried about reversing, or just want to enhance your overall driving safety, the AUTO-VOX CS2 wireless backup camera and monitor system is a must-have. It's waterproof, temperature-resistant, and designed to make your driving experience more convenient and secure. So that wraps up our list. The best backup camera for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Consider the features that are important to you, such as resolution, field of view, night vision, and price. Once you've narrowed down your options, hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.